besties, join me as I make one of the easiest party jollof rice. Let's go. First, I washed my meat properly and placed inside a clean pot. Added chopped onions, seasoning cubes, curry powder, thyme, salt, garlic, ginger. Mixed everything together. While cooking, my daughters helped me open seasoning cubes in the kitchen. So cute and helpful. I placed the pot on a medium heat and allowed the meat to release its own juice. This helps the meat absorb all the rich spice before adding water. After a few minutes, pour in your water and let it cook until soft and tender. Next, I placed my empty pots, added groundnut oil, allowed it to heat up. I added my sliced onions. This step is very important because the rich taste of jollof rice comes from the frying. Fry the onions for a few seconds to release its fragrance. Don't let it burn. So after some few seconds, I added my blended ginger, garlic and onion. I love using a lot of onions for my jollof rice because it gives it a sweet taste. Next, I added my dried thyme, stir-fry it a little, before adding my tomato paste. Fry it until you notice that the tangy taste is out. Just like so. Continue stir-frying. So I checked the meat to see if it was ready, but it wasn't. So I continued frying the tomatoes. Can you see that? The tomato had separated in the oil. So I added my blended pepper, onions, shombo. I mixed together, continue frying. So after some minutes of frying, I added my thyme, curry powder, and stir everything together. and let the sauce cook until the oil starts rising to the top. I added salt, seasoning cubes, stir it together. What is food without a Nigerian woman tasting it? The sauce was perfect, and it was time to add my washed rice. That's 6 cups of rice. We mix everything. Mix very well so the grain is coated. Mix very well so the grain is coated with that rich red color. So I checked the meat, it was ready. I removed the meat from the stock so I can use the stock for my rice. So I added the meat stock. Stir it together. If you noticed, I changed my pot because the other one was already burning. Now I added my hot water. And stir everything together. I covered the pot to allow the rice to cook and immerse it. I heat up my oil in a frying pan. I'm frying the meat until golden brown. Look at this. So mouth-watering. So it's time to check the rice. I added my bay leaf. I used a fan to cover the pot to trap in the heat inside. I check the rice. At this point, the aroma in my kitchen was everything.